This is a land of superlatives, the hottest, driest, and lowest in North America. Welcome to Death Valley, where life clings to existence under a relentless sun. The landscape is sculpted by extremes, with geological time exposed and silence so deep it feels tangible. Yet within this harshness lies a stark, breathtaking beauty and surprising resilience. To journey here is to step into another world, one that challenges our perceptions of survival. Our exploration will reveal the secrets of this extraordinary place, from its lowest depths to its painted hills. This is the ultimate desert adventure. Our journey begins at Badwater Basin, the lowest point in North America, 282 feet below sea level. Here, a blinding white expanse of salt flats stretches to the horizon, remnants of ancient Lake Manly. The ground crunches underfoot, patterned with intricate hexagons formed by evaporating water and crystallizing minerals. The name Badwater comes from a spring so salty even a mule refused to drink, yet life persists here, like the tiny Badwater snail. High above, a sign marks sea level, a humbling reminder of this deep geological trench. In summer, the heat is so intense it can melt shoe soles, and the air shimmers with oppressive energy. The sheer whiteness reflects the sun's glare, demanding respect and protection. Yet there's serenity in this desolation. At sunrise or sunset, the salt crusts cast long, intricate shadows. Silence reigns, broken only by the wind or the crunch of salt, inviting introspection. The distant Panamint and Amargosa ranges frame the basin, their dark faces contrasting the valley's bright floor. The salt's geometric patterns are a marvel of natural order, shaped by physics and chemistry. Even in these extremes, nature creates unexpected beauty. To stand here is to connect with the raw forces that shape our planet. Badwater Basin is a place of profound emptiness, paradoxically full of meaning. It speaks of water, sun, time, and the relentless power of nature. This is the perfect introduction to Death Valley's extremes. The adventure has only just begun. From the valley floor we ascend into the Black Mountains to Artist's Drive and its crown jewel artist's palette. Here, volcanic hills are splashed with pinks, greens, purples, and yellows, nature's own masterpiece. These colors come from the oxidation of metals, green from mica, purple from manganese, and reds and yellows from iron oxides. Volcanic eruptions, heat, and water laid down these mineral-rich layers, later exposed by faulting and erosion. The best time to visit is late afternoon when sunlight ignites the colors, turning the hillsides into a glowing tapestry. The winding road reveals new compositions at every turn, making the journey as stunning as the destination. Up close, the textures and transitions between colors are mesmerizing. Against the muted desert, Artist's palette appears vivid and surreal, a hidden gem of delicate beauty. Erosion continues to sculpt and reveal new layers, making this a living, ever-changing work of art. Standing here, you witness the creative power of geology and time. It's a visual feast that connects us to the Earth's volcanic heart. The harmony of colors inspires wonder and humility. Nature's artistry is on full display, painted by time, chemistry, and pressure. This is Death Valley's most colorful surprise. At dawn, we arrive at Zabriskie Point, Death Valley's most iconic viewpoint. Before us unfolds a labyrinth of golden badlands, curves, ridges, and shadowy folds glowing in the first light. As the sun rises, it paints the landscape with gold and pink, illuminating Manly Beacon and chasing away the night's blue shadows. These formations are ancient lakebed sediments, sculpted by water and time into fluted ridges and deep ravines. Flash floods, though rare, carve the soft rock, creating a dynamic landscape shaped by erosion. The viewpoint's name honors Christian Zabriskie, a borax pioneer, and its fame has grown through art and film. The short trail to the point builds anticipation, revealing a vast panorama, salt flats below, Panamint Mountains beyond. Subtle golds, yellows, and browns shift with the light, each layer a chapter in Death Valley's geological story. Trails lead into the Badlands, offering an immersive journey among towering fins of Earth. The silence and scale are humbling, the patterns of erosion mesmerizing up close. Zabriskie Point is more than a view, it's a classroom in geology and inspiration. It shows how uplift and erosion create landscapes of complexity and beauty. Watching sunrise here is to witness the daily rebirth of a natural wonder. The experience lingers long after the sun has climbed the sky. This is Death Valley at its most magical. Next, we venture to the Racetrack, a remote playa famous for its mysterious sailing stones. The journey is tough, but the reward is a flat, cracked lake bed scattered with rocks, some weighing hundreds of pounds, trailing long, winding tracks. For decades, their movement baffled scientists and visitors alike. The answer came in 2014, a rare combination of rain, freezing temperatures, and wind. Water covers the playa, then freezes into thin sheets of ice. As the sun rises, the ice breaks up, and wind pushes the floating panels, carrying rocks slowly across the mud. The rocks carve tracks as they move, guided by shifting winds and melting ice. The process is slow and subtle, almost imperceptible, but leaves dramatic evidence. This discovery replaced mystery with wonder, revealing a delicate dance of water, ice, and wind. The playa's silence and scale are profound. The cracked earth and scattered stones evoke deep isolation. The tracks can last for years, making the site fragile and precious. Visiting the racetrack is a pilgrimage for the curious and respectful. It's a reminder that nature's wonders often require patience and effort to witness. The sailing stones symbolize the beauty of scientific curiosity and the surprises nature holds. Here, the desert's hidden forces are revealed in one of its most enigmatic spectacles. The racetrack is a testament to the subtle power of the elements. It's a place where science and wonder meet. To grasp Death Valley's scale, we ascend to Dante's View, perched over 5,400 feet above the valley floor. From here, the vast salt pan of Badwater Basin lies far below, a white sheet framed by dark alluvial fans. The Panamint Mountains rise across the valley, crowned by Telescope Peak, often snow-capped even as the desert bakes below. On clear days you can see both the lowest and in the distance the highest points in the contiguous U.S., Badwater Basin and Mount Whitney. The name Dante's View evokes a celestial vantage, looking down on a landscape both infernal and beautiful. The air is cooler and thinner, the wind constant, and hardy shrubs cling to the rocky slopes. Sunrise and sunset here are spectacular, painting the mountains and valley in shifting colors. From this height, the region's fault-block structure and alluvial fans are clearly visible, telling the story of tectonic drama. Standing here, the vastness and depth of Death Valley inspire awe and humility. It's a place that quiets the mind and expands your sense of scale. The panorama is a masterpiece of geology and time. Dante's View offers a perspective that redefines your place in the world. This is Death Valley's grandest overlook. As night falls, Death Valley transforms into one of the world's premier stargazing sanctuaries. The heat fades, replaced by cool desert air, and above, a universe of stars emerges in astonishing clarity. Death Valley is a gold-tier international dark sky park, free from the light pollution that dims most of the world's night skies. On moonless nights, the Milky Way blazes overhead, casting faint shadows and revealing billions of stars. Constellations multiply, meteors streak by, and satellites glide silently across the sky. The darkness is profound, fostering a sense of wonder and connection to the cosmos. For astronomers, the stable air and deep darkness reveal galaxies and nebulae invisible elsewhere. The park hosts star parties and astronomy programs inviting visitors to share in the awe. Even the landscape glows under starlight. The salt flats shimmer, and mountain silhouettes stand stark against the sky. The desert at night is peaceful, transformed by subtle light and shadow. In a world losing its darkness, Death Valley's night sky is a precious natural heritage. To stand here is to reconnect with the universe, as our ancestors once did. The experience is humbling, contemplative, and unforgettable. This is the perfect end to our journey through extremes. Death Valley's night sky is a final breathtaking wonder. Death Valley is a humbling reminder of nature's power and beauty. It challenges, rewards, and changes your perspective on what life can endure. From salt flats to star-filled skies, every facet tells a story of resilience and time. To journey here is to witness Earth's raw artistry and feel connected to its foundations. This land demands respect but offers moments of unparalleled wonder. What extreme would you want to experience most? Let us know in the comments. If this journey moved you, please like, share, and subscribe for more explorations of our planet's wildest places.